We are in a tornado watch right now. Very strong winds. As you can tell, it is pouring. It is very, very windy. A garbage can or something just flew down that way. It is pouring out. Holy crap. As you can tell, well, I can't really tell, it is pouring. Just listen. As you can tell, it's pouring and it's super, super windy. I'm gonna have to take that flag off. Let's set you guys up somewhere so I can take it. Hopefully it's still recording. It's very windy and rainy. And my phone just fell over. God damn it. It is pouring. Oh my god. Wow, that's strong. That's some strong winds. Strong ass. It is pouring out. Oh my goodness. It is pouring. I took the plants down. So I took the plants down. Let's see if I turn my camera. Yeah, look at how. That's still rain, by the way. Yeah, look at that. It is pouring. I hope I just caught that on camera. But yeah, it was pouring. The wind's picking up again. I'm gonna sit by the door. I think I got that on camera, that garbage can. I think I just got that just in time. We are in a tornado watch / thunderstorm warning / flash flood warning. We are currently possibly getting the after effects of the hurricane. I'm going to send out my sincere condolences to the people that were involved in this hurricane. I'm super sorry. And I hope you guys make it through alright. But right now it's crazy. Sorry for the back camera. Yeah, it just slowed down. But wow, that was crazy. There was just lightning. But yeah, more lightning. You could see that cloud just moving. Wow. It's that cloud. I just caught that on camera, dude. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, we are currently in a tornado watch. I live in Luzerne County, so hopefully no tornadoes. Or look at the power lines just moving. Fun fact, right here we had a super bad storm. I think lightning hit my room. It was right there once the rain started to kind of pick up again. My room was right there. A power line went down. It was a cable line for cable. Struck. Yeah, this is crazy. Hopefully I get this stuff on camera. This stuff. But yeah, right now it's just raining. Just look at the rain. Yeah, that's way super crazy. Yeah, as soon as I whip out the camera and start recording, it slows down. Like, come on, man. I want something strong. I want some strong winds, some strong rain right now. That's what I want. Some strong rain, some strong rain. You know what I mean? That's what I want right now. Right now it's just like a rainy day, like a rainy night, like a normal thunderstorm. I want something powerful. You know what I mean? something strong. Oh, I think I just caught that on camera. I'm catching some cool lightning strikes. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go boom. I dimmed down my thing all the way. Whoa, can I lock that? Wow! That thunder though. Lightning too. We are in a tornado warning, but okay, oh watch, it's gonna start pouring. Yeah, last time I was out here, there was debris. I mean, it was more windy than this. And there was a rain tornado. It wasn't an actual tornado, it was just rain. It was a rain tornado. It's made out of rain. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna be it. Oh. Did I just catch that on camera? I hope I just caught that on camera. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, I'll see you all next time. There actually might be a part 2, so look out for that. Wow, just at least this could put some people to sleep. If you guys enjoyed, I'll see y'all next time. Peace!